today is my time to work. I have not been really contributing to the house in a long time, so I'm excited to try something. I've been given a task and I have no idea if I'm able to do it. It's gonna be probably a little bit comical, but you know, this is my first time and yeah, we'll see. Excuse my hair, I have not been able to brush my hair this morning. It was pretty busy morning. Okay, so probably need this to protect myself. Turn it on. Turn this on. I think I need a break. This is absolutely atrocious. So much dust in my eyes. Yeah, I have to give credit to Matthew because this is, wow. My shoulders. It's a real workout. I need some break. Even my Coke is all white. Okay. This is not even funny. And I feel like nothing has changed. I don't see really a real difference yet. I don't have my glasses on, but wow, it's still not smooth. Can't even tell. Either I'm doing something wrong or this takes a really long time. I might change this thing. Don't know how it's called. Maybe it's gonna be better. if I change it. So let's try that. Just take it on. I'm sure my husband will laugh at me so much when he's gonna see this footage. Because let's be honest and real, I'm not good at manual labor. But I can still try. That's all I can do. So, music. I hate this work. I don't see anything. It's in more in my eyes. I asked Matthew, he says protective glasses, but he doesn't have, so. Oh well. Taking a small break because this is very physically taxing. Yeah. Picked up a courage to continue. So let's do it. I mean, let's get over with. Let's get over with it. Let's go. I think I have found a trick, and I believe not looking up when I'm working actually helps, because when I look up, all falls in my eyes. When I look down, obviously not as much, so I think this might be a trick. Unfortunately, I don't really see what I'm doing, but you know, trade off. But it still looked pretty bad. So I'm not really sure how long I'm supposed to do this until it looks better. or if I'm doing something wrong, but Matthew is not here. So I'm just gonna continue until he's here, and then he tells me if I'm doing something wrong or what's going on. Why is it not still looking good? Maybe it just takes time. We'll see. Shoulders will be so sore, but it's worth it. I'm wondering how many people are actually, like how much people are actually looking at the ceilings and being like, oh, it's not perfectly smooth. Probably not, but we'll still try to make it as smooth as possible. But it's looking better. There's still some spots I'm completely missed. I need to go back there. Okay. It's everywhere. It's in my eyes, in my mouth, on me. Changed color completely. Fun task from Matthew. Thank you very much. Stopping for a moment because need a break.
So I just came back from a trip to the horses with Natalie, and it seems that Petra had a bit of an issue.
Which I didn't know.
What it is there's an adapter on the back of this that is supposed to be screwed in here, and then the hose adapter, the hose is supposed to be plugged into that. So therefore it should have been vacuuming out all the extra dust, but it was not, and so it fell on her face.
My fault. It was not set up for me properly.
It was set up perfectly.
I didn't do anything. Everything is on the camera.
I can check it again, but it was set up perfectly and has worked perfectly for me for weeks.
Okay.
This is literally the first time anything like this has ever happened.
Great.
And it just happened to be on your watch.
Well, I thought that something must be wrong because everything was falling onto me, and I was like, this is not pleasant.
So how it should have been is that this should have been connected like that. That's it.
Huh. Well, now I'm curious to go back to the recording to see what happened there.
I'm sure it basically, as I said, you like went a little too far and it just pulled itself out. It easily pulls itself out. Now, the fact that this additional piece came out, that's new and different. But I've had this come undone many times. Right. And the telltale sign when you're doing it, that this has come undone if you're not paying attention, is if the room starts to get dusty or if things start falling, that means that the suction is not working.
Well, I wish I knew that before.
You could have messaged me. And
I had no idea that something's wrong. Like, I didn't know. I thought this is how it's supposed to be.
It is not how it's supposed to be.
Well, I know now.
Yeah. So,
live
and learn.
I have